Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mofah. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to make a Tailor arm pillow. This is all the pieces I'll be using to make our Tailor arm. You need a lot of pieces so that your Tailor arm can be very tight. You don't need it to be soft. So I'll mark my measurement, which is 9 inches by 8.5. That 9 inches is going to be how long it's going to be, because average people nipple to nipple measurement is around 9 to 10 inches. So you can use this for a lot of people, either 8 inches nipple to nipple. You can use it for a lot of people. So 9 inches is perfect for your length. So after that, I'll just cut it out. Just cut out your fabric. Now I'll cut the cover. We need two cover to cover the both down and upper part. So this is two. I'll be cutting it at the same time. So just mark 3 inches in the middle this way. Just mark 3 inches in the middle and get a straight line, because you are going to be marking that 3 inches round, like with the form of you are marking a flared, like you are marking a flared the way we mark flared round. So you keep your tape rule at that 3 inches at the middle, then you mark it round. Just mark it round. Now I'll cut it out. So after that, I'll just notch on the four side. On our sewing machine now, I'll just sew with 0.5. You know, we cut 8.5 by 9 inches, so we are just going to sew 0.5 and leave a space in that place, because you need to turn your fabric from there. So just leave a space like 2 to 3 inches space there. Then we sew our cover to the down part. Just pick any parts in this, we notch it. Just pick any parts. It's not necessary for you to pick anywhere. So just pick anywhere to start sewing. Just sew it round. Do the same to the down part as well. Just sew it round. Then we turn it out this way. Now we start putting our pieces in to fill it up. So just continue filling it up. Make sure you fill it very tight, because if it's not tight, if you put your bustier on it to press, it's just going to be folding. So you need it to be very, very tight. So just continue filling it up. Make sure you fill it very, very tight. So yeah, I'm just checking it with my bustier. If it's like still strong enough, I'm just checking it here. Just make sure it's very, very tight. You don't want your pillow to be saggy. So if you see that you still need to add your pieces, please go ahead and do that. Now just start closing this part up. Close it up with your needle and thread. After closing it up, if you feel like you need to cover it with your cotton stay or your nylon stay, now that depends on you. You can decide to cover it up with your cotton stay or your nylon stay, and you can decide to leave it this way. And this is the end of our tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe to my channel.